Welcome to our channel. Planning a birthday party with a touch of elegance and creativity? Today, we're diving into purple-themed birthday decoration ideas that'll turn any celebration into a royal affair. From balloon arches to lavender lighting, this video has all the inspiration you need. Let's get started. Why choose a purple theme for a birthday party? Purple symbolizes royalty, luxury, and creativity, making it a perfect pick for birthdays. It adds a rich, magical vibe that stands out from typical party colors. Whether for a child, teen, or adult, purple can be adapted to suit any age. From lilac to deep plum, the shade range offers plenty of styling options. Purple also blends beautifully with metallics like gold or silver. It's a statement color that transforms any venue. What are some budget-friendly purple decorations? Paper lanterns, streamers, and purple fairy lights can instantly elevate your space. DIY tissue paper pom-poms and balloon garlands are low-cost and eye-catching. Use purple tablecloths or runners to tie your look together. Printable signs or banners in lavender fonts can be made at home. Mason jars painted purple double as centerpieces and party favors. Just mix creativity with simplicity. Loving these ideas? Hit the like button if you want more creative and affordable party tips. What lighting works best for a purple-themed party? Soft lavender lighting or string lights wrapped around furniture can create a cozy glow. LED purple uplights along walls add a dramatic flair. You can also use purple candles or lanterns for an elegant touch. Consider projection lights that cast patterns in shades of violet. Keep it subtle or go bold depending on the party mood. Lighting sets the tone. Use it wisely. How can you make a purple-themed dessert table stand out? Decorate your dessert table with a purple sequin runner or silk cloth. Add tiers of purple cupcakes, ombre macarons, or violet candy jars. Use clear containers to show off purple jelly beans or rock candy. Don't forget a statement cake with floral or marbled purple icing. Accent with gold cutlery or crystal dishes for that luxe feel. Like this video if you're loving the sparkle, and drop a comment How do you dress for a purple theme party? Go full on with a purple dress or suit, or add subtle lavender accessories. Guests can coordinate with different shades like mauve, lilac, or eggplant. Don't forget a fun party hat or crown to match the regal vibe. Kids look adorable in custom purple t-shirts with the birthday year. For a polished look, add some silver or gold accents to your outfit. Dress code adds excitement and photo-worthy moments. What's a fun activity that fits the purple theme? Try a DIY slime or bath bomb station using purple ingredients. Set up a purple scavenger hunt where guests find violet items. For adults, host a wine tasting with purple-themed snacks. Kids love craft corners, make tiaras, wands, or superhero masks in purple. Even karaoke can get a makeover with a lilac-themed stage. Activities that match the theme create a lasting impression. If these activities sound fun, subscribe now so you never miss our themed party ideas. What kind of invitation suits a purple birthday theme? Use digital invites with watercolor purple backgrounds or glittery borders. Include playful fonts in lilac or bold plum for a visual pop. For print invites, go with embossed purple envelopes or wax seals. Add custom illustrations like balloons, stars, or flowers in shades of violet. Personalization makes the invite feel special. Make sure the invite sets the tone of your celebration. How do you decorate chairs and tables? Cover chairs with lavender sashes or plum covers tied with gold ribbons. Use purple candles or small lavender bouquets as table centerpieces. Napkins folded into flowers add a fun twist. Add purple confetti or scatter crystals on tables for sparkle. Mixing light and dark shades adds depth and style. Keep it cohesive but playful. Planning your own purple party? Share your theme ideas in the comments. What are some purple-themed party favors? Mini lavender-scented candles or bath salts are classy and useful. Purple rock candy sticks or custom cookies make sweet takeaways. Kids love slime jars or sticker packs in matching colors. Personalized keychains, magnets, or lip balms in purple packaging are a hit. Wrap them in lilac organza bags for a magical look. It's the little details guests remember most. Can purple be used in outdoor parties too? Absolutely. Use purple tents, drapes, or canopies to define the space. Add floral arrangements with lavender, orchids, or hydrangeas. Hanging purple lights from trees creates a fairy tale effect. Consider a purple-themed picnic setup with blankets and cushions. Even balloons tied to garden chairs can do wonders. Nature plus purple? A dreamy combo. Like where this is going? Tap the bell icon so you get notified the moment we drop our next party guide. So there you have it, tons of enchanting, affordable, and versatile ideas for your purple-themed birthday bash. From decor to desserts, every element plays a part in bringing your vision to life. Whether you're hosting indoors or under the stars, purple transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Don't be afraid to mix textures, shades, and sparkle. Make it yours. Make it magical. Every birthday deserves a bit of royalty, and now you know how to deliver it. If you loved these purple-themed birthday ideas, don't forget to like this video. It lets us know you want more creative content like this. Share it with friends or family who are planning a celebration and need some inspiration. Comment below with your favorite idea from today's video, or let us know your own purple party tip. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to catch our newest party guides. From decorations to dessert tables, we've got everything you need to make your next event unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and remember, every party starts with a great idea. Let's bring it to life together.